Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Syabani Hamzi bin Ahmad Zamidi. Today I will present about the crop disease of rubber plant. We have rubber plant is the most plant that we plant in Malaysia. It is the major plant in Malaysia. Okay, today I will explain about the crop disease of rubber plant. Crop disease is the most deviation from normal growth or structure of plant that is sufficiently pronounced and permanent to produce visible symptoms or to impair quality and economic value. Okay, have two type of crop. One is a healthy crop and two is a disease crop. What is the healthy crop? Healthy crop is the ability to carry out normal physiological function at the acceptable level consistent to genetic potential. What is the disease crop? Disease crop is the multifunctional process that is caused by continuous erosion and produce symptoms. Do you know what is the factor influence crop development? No? Okay, I explain. Factor influence crop development is hybrid variety genetic. Next is age of the plant at the same time. Environment such as soil and climate. Weather such as temperature, rain, wind. And lastly, genetic of the pathogen population. At the rubber plant, we can find any disease at the plant, and I choose the root disease to explain of the crop disease rubber plant. In the root disease, have 4 or 5 types of root disease. One is root disease, 2 is brown root disease, 3 red root disease, and otulinus. The 4 types of root disease are so very dangerous to the rubber plant. So in this case, I tell about the management control strategies to produce and prevent population and development of disease in the rubber plant. The management of control strategies. One is we use the chemical control. Chemical control, such as we can spraying product mixture, painting with fungicides. This prevent effective spore from gaining entry into the plant. I feel application of sulfur help the reduce the disease. Application of sulfur, it also assert that about 30 grams of powder sulfur should be emanated into the antagonistic to incidence of fungal root disease. Next, we can use cultural control. I list down the 4 cultural control. First is disease survey. Resistant clones, isolation, trench, and last is planting LCC. LCC we easy to find at the most plantation, so we can take LCC and use to prevent disease at the rubber plant. Okay, before I finish my explanation, we can make a conclusion. The most of the major disease of Hevea brasiliensis are of worldwide distribution, but their local severity and importance vary from one region to another. Root disease are a serious problem yearly, everywhere, and regular round of inspection and treatment are essential while the trees are still young in order to prevent serious losses. Disease of the tapping panel may prevent tapping or hinder bark regeneration. Black strip in particular can be very persistent and is often eradicated only by repeat treatment of the bark. Okay, that's all from me. I hope my explanation can find you to know what the crop disease of rubber plant and what the management control strategies to reduce the disease of the rubber plant. Okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.